In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a deal stage in Monday.com CRM. To get started, open your Monday.com CRM board where your deals are being tracked. This is the main workspace where you can view all your opportunities and manage their progress through your sales pipeline. Before making any changes, take a quick moment to make sure you're on the correct board, especially if your account includes multiple pipelines, teams, or workspaces. That helps prevent updating the wrong deal by mistake. Once you're in the board, find the specific deal you want to update. You can scroll through the list manually, or if your board is large, use any available search, filter, or grouping options to locate it faster. Be sure to double check the deal name so you're editing the correct record. Accuracy here is important because stage changes often affect reporting, forecasting, and follow-up actions. After you found the deal, look for the stage or status column. This is the field that shows where the deal currently sits in your sales process. Depending on how your Monday.com CRM board is set up, the column may be labeled slightly differently, but it usually stands out clearly because it uses colored labels to represent each stage. Next, click the current stage label for that deal. This will open the list of available stage options. From there, choose the new stage that best matches the deal's current progress. For example, you might move it to qualified, proposal, negotiation, or won. It's a good idea to choose the stage that most accurately reflects what has actually happened in the sales conversation, since this keeps your pipeline clean and useful for the whole team. If needed, add notes or next steps after updating the stage. This can be helpful for capturing important context like what was discussed, what the client is waiting on, or what action should happen next. Keeping notes updated makes handoffs smoother and helps anyone reviewing the deal understand its current status without needing extra explanation. Finally, save your changes if your board requires it, and then confirm that the deal moved to the correct stage. Take one last look at the row to make sure the new label is showing properly and that any notes you added are in place. That's it. Updating deal stages consistently in Monday.com CRM helps keep your pipeline organized, accurate, and easy to manage.